This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. That being said, hit the like button, subscribe button, all that YouTube algorithm stuff, so you get the videos I put them out. See what I'm thinking, see I'm analyzing that data. But like I tell every day, the data released us is false. And then it gives a false narrative of the market so we can make bad trading decisions. Listen, I was watching CSI's video where he's on the phone arguing with the attorneys over his brother trying to take all the money in his father's bank account. And I'm going to tell you something. I had a similar issue happen with two other buddies of mine who had parents pass away. And then there was a lot of infighting going on over who was entitled to the money in the bank account and what were the wishes of the deceased, or what they say, the decedent. Anyway, here's the thing, and I'm not telling you that this is a proper approach. You need to speak to an attorney. An attorney will give you, or an estate planner, or even an accountant, a CPA, and they will give you better advice. This is just for informational purposes only. Informational purposes only. Listen, there's a thing called a Totten trust, okay? And a Totten trust really doesn't require an attorney to set it up. You can just go to the bank and tell the bank that you want to set up a Totten trust. And what the Totten trust does is it sets up a person as a beneficiary of the person who is about to die's account. Well, not about to die, but who will die in the future. So, for example, my dad is 84 years old, okay? Now, if I wanted my dad to set up a Totten trust, I would take him to Citibank or whatever bank he's using, and then we would tell the bank that we want to set up a Totten trust, and the bank would set it up. Now, what this does is this would make myself or whoever my dad chooses the beneficiary of his bank account. So when my dad passes away, hopefully 50 or 100 years from now, the money in his bank account would transfer to me automatically. It would avoid probate. There would be no need for courts. There would be no need for attorneys. It's an automatic transfer, and it avoids all these problems that people have in distributing money in bank accounts when people die. So in order to avoid the conflicts that usually arise when it comes to who's entitled to the money in bank accounts, all you really have to do is go to the bank, tell them you want to set up a Totten trust, and then with this Totten trust, the descendant, the person who owns the bank account, can choose who they want to receive the funds after they pass away. And that money goes directly to the person after the account owner passes away. That way, there's no courts, there's no attorneys, and there's no conflicts. There are no conflicts. But then again, please talk to an attorney first. This is just for informational purposes only. It's called a Totten trust. Do some research. It's not that complicated, but it will avoid a lot of problems when people pass away. And it avoids the courts. It avoids lawyer. It's an automatic transfer to the beneficiary's account. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Have you guys ever had problems like this when people pass away and people are fighting over the money in the bank? Anyway, have a great day. God bless. And I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.